Hello everyone, this is Sharon here and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you all how to make a bioscope. Let's see the materials we need. One cardboard box, two cardboard rolls, any color papers. So first we'll decide the size of our cardboard box. So that will be the size for bioscope. So before cutting this, it was a longer box. So I cut it in such a way so that it becomes easier for me to stick properly. Alright, after sticking, we need to cut out one window and 4 holes. Each hole should be collinear to each other. And also we need to cut a door exactly behind the window. So here we have cut out everything, the 4 holes, 1 window and the door. We just quickly check whether it's fitting or not. Yes, it's perfectly fitting. I've covered this box with blue color paper, and for the door I have used yellow paper. You can either paint or stick papers. Now we need to cut the whole part and the window part of the bioscope. So for that we'll use a cutter, and guys, make sure you be safe while using a cutter. After cutting all the extra papers, you can stick all those papers behind the box. Alright guys, let's unbox this Samsung Galaxy S10. Just kidding. Okay, so we have stuck all the extra papers behind the box or inside the box. Now we'll take a long strip of a paper. The width of the paper strip will be lesser than the width of the bioscope. On this strip you can stick pictures of your family members or your pictures. Here I'm sticking my few drawings of Marvel Avengers. How can we miss this guy, Thanos? Before you stick the first picture, make sure you leave 3 to 4 inches of space above, and then stick your pictures one by one. So like this, one by one, we will stick all the pictures. Now watch this step carefully. Guys, this is the main step. After sticking, you roll this from above. this part should be tight, and the other end of the reel should be stuck like this. Let's watch this step carefully again. And also make sure you align those cardboard rolls. And once you're ready with the strip, you can put handles to control the rotating motion. If you like this video, give it a great thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, and also follow our Instagram page. Until then, have a great day and always keep smiling.